Most people don't train too little, they train too comfortably. You've been told you need more sets to grow, but the truth is, those extra sets might be the exact reason you're not. Because I used to train high volume too. More sets, longer workouts, always exhausted. But when I switched to 2 sets and actually pushed hard, I started growing faster than ever, and I can confidently say, I'm not going back. If you think about it, what do all jacked lifters have in common? It's not that they do more sets, it's that they actually push their sets hard. Now let's be real, most people don't need more volume, they need more effort. They do 4 to 5 sets per exercise, but barely any of them are pushed properly. They stop 2 to 3 reps shy of failure and pace themselves, because they know they've got more sets coming. So every set sits at around 60-80% effort. If they actually went all in, they wouldn't even make it to set 3. So instead of 1 or 2 high quality sets, they end up doing 5 average ones. And average effort doesn't build an impressive physique. That's exactly why the 2-set method works. It removes the option to hold back. You see, muscles don't grow from doing more sets. They grow when a set is demanding enough that your body is forced to adapt. And that only happens when you train with real intensity. Even studies show one hard set done a couple times per week builds muscle. Not optimal, but it proves the point. It's not about how many sets you do, it's about how hard you push, how much stimulus you can create. And here's where most people get it wrong. After your first 1 to 2 hard sets, you're already fatigued. Everything after that, less force, less output, less stimulus, but a lot more fatigue. That's junk volume. So you're not building more muscle, you're just making recovery worse. And on top of that, you're wasting time. 90-minute workouts, sometimes 2 hours, filled with sets that barely do anything. The 2-set method fixes this instantly. It works better than high volume for a lot of reasons, but here are the 3 main ones. First of all, being focused. You only get 2 real shots, so you stop holding back. Secondly, output. No pacing, no saving energy, just full effort, forcing your body to adapt. And thirdly, recovery. You're not buried under junk volume anymore, so your body can actually recover, which means next session you come back stronger, lift heavier, and thus as a result, grow more muscle. And another bonus is efficiency. You can get in, do your real work, and get out in under an hour, with better results than those 2-hour sessions. So be honest, are you actually pushing your sets with real intensity, or just doing more of them? Because volume is the easiest way to hide from effort. So here's how to implement this in the gym. Pick an exercise, warm up properly, and build to your working weight. Then on your first set, push hard and leave 0 reps in reserve. Rest for 2 to 3 minutes, and on the second set, push all the way to failure. Done, that's it. 2 sets, move on to next exercise. If you only had 2 sets, you'd stop lying to yourself real fast. So the next time you're in the gym, ask yourself, is this set actually pushing my limits, or am I just filling time? Train like this and you won't need more volume. You'll finally see results. Subscribe if you want no bullshit advice that actually gets you results, and I'll see you in the next one.